The Twister Hood is open! The Twister Hood is open! We are now taking new members! I'm so excited, you guys. We have officially opened the doors to the Twister Hood, my balloon artist membership, to help those of you who are wanting to master the art and craft of balloon twisting, to turn your skills into a full-on balloon business. It's been over a year since we've opened up the doors to new members, so this is a big deal. That's why I'm so excited to get some new people into our membership. We were so excited. Can't wait to welcome you and show you all that we've built in the Twister Hood this whole year of 2020 and 2021 and everything since we've had our doors open. We've been adding content to the Twister Hood every single week. There's a ton of resources in there. You get access to my entire clip art vault. Every balloon picture I've ever drawn is available to you in there to download anytime you want it. You get access to every single workshop, DVD, members only tutorial that I've ever filmed. It's all there in our video vault. You get social media graphics, you get Canva templates for things to make your own awesome looking business cards, thank you cards, balloon menus, anything you want. We put it out there for you to help my fellow balloon twisters run your business, grow your business, be more successful and more efficient so you have more time freedom. It is a service of convenience that I offer you guys. Let me do some of the things that frustrate you the most so you can get back to doing what you really love, which is twisting balloons and making smiles, right? Okay, so link is down underneath this video. Make sure you check it out if you have any interest at all. We cannot wait to have you. All right, now for today's tutorial. I missed May the 4th. I had a design I wanted to put out for May the 4th and I missed it. But I was informed that May 24th is also a Star Wars day. So we just had May 24th. I have a second chance to show this to you guys. So let's do it. We have a fast line work stormtrooper that is really cool. I'm in love with this design. I know I say that about all of them, but it's true, you guys. I just can't get enough. So we're gonna need this one is definitely got a hole in it. We're gonna need two white 260s inflated to about a 3-inch tail. There we go. Okay, we'll just replace that other one. All right, now we're gonna start off with our two white 260s at the nozzle end, and however long you want his arms to be, that's where we're gonna make the first twist to twist both of these balloons together. Before we do that though, we're gonna fold each one over and give it a little squeeze to make a little elbow bend, okay? Do that for this one, just fold it over a couple inches down and give it a little elbow. And then we're gonna twist them together, maybe an inch or so past that elbow. All right, so we'll have that. Next, we're gonna pick one of these balloons. It doesn't matter which one, because we're just getting started. And we're gonna just do a loop, a nice decent sized loop, because this is gonna be the top part of his head. So just a simple loop, okay? And then I'm gonna take the other balloon that I did not use to make the loop, and we're gonna come out behind his head, and we're just gonna put a spacer bubble, so just a small round bubble, squeeze. We'll do another small round bubble. Two small round bubbles. We're gonna make this one a pinch twist. So fold everything over so you kind of get that last bubble isolated out here, and you can wrap your fingers around it, twist your hand, and you just made a pinch twist. Awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna line everything up here so I can see what I'm doing. So this is the front and this is the back. We're gonna bring our remaining 260. Going to come towards the front, over that one arm, come right up towards the front. When we reach the front, we're going to put a little twist right about where it hits the middle of his head, okay? You're going to squeeze it, make it a little softer, and do the same thing going back over the arms, back around to the pinch twist, okay? Wrap it into your pinch twist back there. And we're going to have this. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I want to line this up. All right, you're going to have his arms kind of like in front of him right now. What we want to do is push that 260 that's going down sort of in front of the arms. So just kind of push it forward in front of these guys and let them hang wherever they're going to hang for now. Okay? Once you've done that, we're going to twist both balloons together around where his waist would be. So right about there. We're going to put 2 pinch twists here. I'm going to do, let's see, I'm going to look at my balloon and see which one has more left to work with, which is this side. And I'm actually going to do 2 pinch twists on this balloon here. So we'll just do a small round bubble, make that a pinch twist. And again, another small round bubble and make that a pinch twist. And those 2 pinch twists are going to sit right on either side of his little waist here. Okay? Now we're going to bring both remaining balloons down. We're going to make his legs. So however long you want his legs to be, I always recommend shorter is cuter. So I'm going to do about a 3-inch bubble there and twist both of those balloons together. And for his feet, I'm going to keep it simple and do loops. So we'll do 1 loop for the first foot, and then another loop in the other balloon here for the second foot. And then I like to put 1 pinch twist to kind of hold everything together and help his feet to stay nice and flat. So whichever balloon you have space to do 1 last pinch twist, go ahead and put that in there. So small round bubble and pinch twist it. All right, let me get everything lined up for you. Okay, so we should have this. Whoop, that's the back, sorry. Turn this around. All right, we should have this. You can get rid of the rest of your white 260 tails, whatever you've got left. Don't need it anymore. So I'm going to get rid of both of those and then just tie these 2 tails together since they're long enough for me to do so, and I don't have to worry about them coming undone later. All right, so now we want to angle his arms a little bit so that they're facing forwards and not backwards, because that's awkward. Okay, so this could be a whole lot of characters. It's a really good base for human or upright walking characters. But he's not going to be a very good stormtrooper if he doesn't have a weapon. I was told they call it a blaster in Star Wars, so that's what we're going to go with. So I'm going to get my black 160, and we're just going to make him a really quick little blaster. Okay, we're actually going to start with the end of the blaster where the lasers come out. I don't know what kind of ammo they use. We're going to do a little apple twist thing. I just did my nails, so they're a little sticky with the balloons. So I'm going to wet my finger, and we're going to put our finger down here on the nozzle. Woo! That's one way to have fun at a party. Let's try that again. We'll put our finger down here in our 160. I don't know if you can see it there, probably not, but I'm going to grab that nozzle from the outside here with my other hand, and oh, I popped it. I knew I was going to do that with these new nail polish. All right, try it one more time. It's going to go perfectly this time. Perfect. All right, and give it a little twist. Okay, guys, see, I don't get it right every single time. So if you're just getting started, do not be hard on yourself. Okay, so there we have our little apple twist at the end of our gun. Now, I do have to say that is not required because I think it still would look fine without that at all. It could just be a straight balloon for the end of the blaster. But if you want to be fancy, you can do a little apple twist. Okay, we're going to come down about 1 inch or 2 inches on the barrel there. We're going to do a small round bubble, make that a pinch twist. And then a small loop, very, very small loop. So this would kind of be like what the trigger sort of might be. So about like that is what we should have now. Then we're just going to come back maybe 1 inch or ½ inch there, make just a regular little twist. And then we're going to do a small loop again, another really, really small loop. And then a larger loop. So you want it to be larger than this one. It's going to be the part you hold. My husband would be so disappointed. I don't know all my gun parts. Okay, so that is our little tiny miniature blaster. I'm going to go ahead and put just a little pinch twist here to end it off. Keep these two loops from wanting to untwist themselves. So a small round bubble, and we'll turn that small bubble into a pinch twist there. So it's going to be that, and we're going to get rid of the rest of this. Okay, so I'm just going to hide my tails, wrapping them around my loops a couple times. All right, so this is our little tiny blaster. It's got a sight, it's got a trigger, and it even has a barrel. We're going to put this in our Stormtrooper's arm, so he's going to be holding this. So we've got the nozzles from our white 260s, and then we've got two attachment points. So where these pinch twist things are, that's where we're going to attach his arm. So I'm going to take the nozzle from one arm, and we're going to wrap it around the first little set of loops. And we're going to take the other arm, we're going to bring it over and attach it around the other pinch twist and loop combo. Okay, and then we just want to straighten everything out. If you need to, give his arms a little bit more of a bend so that he's holding it a little bit up. Just bend his arms a little bit. But that is perfect. Kind of holding it down here at his waist. He's not ready to blast somebody, but he's got it just in case. Okay, so there is a 3-balloon Super Trooper, Stormtrooper, whatever I'm allowed to say. The artwork on this, let me show you, and it's just something you're going to have to remember. I kind of like having a picture to look at to remind myself, since I don't do this design all the time, but it is very simple artwork, so let me show you what I do. We're going to start at the top of the head and work our way down. We're going to start with just a line across the forehead, straight line. And then we're going to do 2 lines right under that do not touch. They don't connect in the middle. These are going to be the tops of triangles. So we're going to bring them down and out to the side to make 2 triangles. Fill in those triangles with your black pen. All right. And then he's going to have an unhappy mouth. So just like a TP, the top part of a triangle. Lots of triangles, right? And then for his little, I don't know what this is called. It's like where they breathe out of or something. Star Wars fans, feel free to educate me in the comments. I grew up watching Star Trek. My dad was a Trekkie, so that's what I got growing up. But we're going to do 2 circles just on the front of these 2 bubbles here, and then we're going to give them some gills or whatever they are, some vents, breathing vents off the side of those circles. And there we go. That says Stormtrooper. It gives the idea of a Stormtrooper. It may not be artistically 100% accurate, but that's okay because we don't want to get sued. And you're allowed to take creative freedom with your own design. So, of course, feel free to change up the artwork to however you think it looks best. But this is just something that's easy for most people to draw. And it does kind of communicate what this character is trying to imitate. All right. That is the tutorial for today. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I super duper appreciate that, and I super duper don't want you to get blasted by this guy for not giving it a thumbs up, so don't forget to do that. And of course, the Twister Hood is waiting for you to come join us. We are so excited to get some new members and to have our doors opened. It's been over a year. So there's a lot of goodies waiting for you in there if you want to check it out. If not, I will see you again next week with another free balloon animal tutorial just for you guys. And that's it. Have a great week, everyone. Happy twisting and keep on smiling. Bye, guys.